Welcome everyone, welcome once again. Welcome to this amazing section with me. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm Faith Cousin, and in this video we will learning how to import our custom font into our Pixellab. As we all know, our Pixellab come with its own default fonts, but they are not enough, so we'll need some more professional and stylish fonts to make our work as a graphic designer smooth and beautiful. So we're learning how we're able to download and also install it into our Pixellab without no stress. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to go to our Google Chrome. Okay, so once we get to our Google Chrome, we are going to type the name of the font we want to download. So the font we'll be downloading is called Poppin Bold, Poppin Family Fonts. Okay, so the reason why I'm adding a family to that name there is because I don't want to download it one after the other. Fonts family, we have some Poppin regular, Poppin bold, Poppin extra bold, Poppin italics, Poppin medium, and the rest. So if you start downloading it like one by one, it's going to actually waste your time. You're going to get exhausted. So it's better you just go for the family. Whatever fonts you want to download, just go and download the whole family you get. So it's going to be easier that way. So I'm just going to type Poppin family fonts download. Then I'll just search for it. So it's going to give me the list of sites that have that font. So I'll click on this one here, that fontsfree.io. So I'm just going to click on it. So it's going to take me to their sites here. So I'm just going to scroll down and click on this download here. So it's going to take me to another page. So I'll still come here and download, click on download. So we are downloading the full version, which is the family fonts, which includes the Poppin bold and the rest. So we just have to wait for it to download. Alright, so we finished downloading the fonts. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now, we're going to unzip this fonts. Okay, so font file, they come in a zip format, just like you maybe when you get stuff, when you buy something, it comes in a box. Yeah, it's packaged in a box. So for you to access that thing, that product you purchase, you have to open that box to access it. So that's how it is with fonts also. So after downloading the font, you have to unzip it for you to be able to access the main font file. So we're going to unzip it. Okay, so the name of the app we'll be using to unzip our font file is the Zachiva app. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it to open. Okay, so it's going to bring me to this interface. So I'm going to locate where I have my download folder, because that font we downloaded is going to save in our download folder. So I'll come here and now locate it. All right, so this is it here. This is it here, this Poppin full version. That is the font that we just download. So this is what we're going to do now. So please be very attentive at this point. Be very attentive at this point. I'm just going to click on it. Just tap on it. It's going to bring you this interface. You have view, you have extract here, you have extract tool, you have extract, you have text, and you have compress. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to click on extract. Okay, so after extracting it, we are going to go back. All right, go back, and we will now create a new folder by clicking on this plus icon at the top here. Click a new folder, change the name. Okay, it's already there, Poppin full version, and click on OK. All right, so this is the version, this is the folder we just created. You can see the name up here, Poppin full version, and you can see that the folder is empty. There is nothing in this folder because we just created it. So we are just going to click on this icon here. The file we extract, we are going to bring it here. So we just click on it. So it's going to come here. So let's look at it. All right, so these are the font file. It has been successfully extracted from the zip. All right, So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add it to our Pixellab. Yeah, we've successfully extracted it. Now is to add it to our Pixellab. So let's go and add it to our Pixellab. Let's get to our Pixellab. Alright guys, so we are in our Pixellab. So I'm just going to come to my icon here, the text icon, and come to this font here. Okay, come to where my fonts are. So I'll come to, you have fonts here, scroll to this my fonts here. Okay, so these are the fonts that I added previously. Okay, but if you just downloaded your Pixellab, there will be nothing on this space for you. But mind, there is something here because I've added a font before. So I'm going to click on this second folder that is here. This one that has a plus. I will click on this second one. It's going to bring me to this place. So when I get to this place, I will look for that folder that we created. That folder that has popping full version. That one that we extracted the real material into. So we are going to look for it. Just keep on scrolling, look for it. Alright, so this is it here. We have popping full version 1. I think this is it. So I'm going to click on it. I'll click on it again. Just keep on clicking on it till you get to where the files are. So this is how the files look like. So when you see something like this, just know that you've arrive at where the files are. Then you click on this add directory. It's just going to add directly. Alright, perfecto. So you can see it has added directly into our Pixellab. Then you can use your fonts to do your project and whatever you want to do. And also, there are other ways you can also download your fonts. Yeah, maybe for example, you saw a design online and you like the fonts. Then after making your own investigation, after making your own finding, you now discover the name of the fonts. Okay, so how do you get to download that font? So let's get back to our Google Chrome. Okay, so there is this popular site that everybody, as a graphic designer, you should know the site, dafonts.com. So you just click on dafonts.com. It's going to take you to this site, take you to this place. Okay, so this place, we have plenty fonts here. Sometimes when I'm less busy, I just come here and keep on downloading the fonts that I will use for whatever project I am working on. Okay, so we have a lots and lots of fonts here. So you just go through everything. If you want to search for a particular font, you come here, you zoom in. Okay, so there's this font I want to search for. It's called Hamstein. Let's search. Okay, so this is the Hamstein font they have. So I'm just going to, click on download. It's going to download. Click on this one. Sorry. Alright, so I think I like this most. Let's download. Okay. Download. Just keep on downloading. You have plenty beautiful fonts here. Okay, good. So we've successfully downloaded all the fonts we want to use, all the beautiful fonts we saw here. So as you're downloading them, be keeping notes of the names, so because you will need the names. So now let's go back to our Zachiva app to unzip them just the way we did for that first one. Alright, so we're in our Zachiva app. So I'll come to my download folder. Okay, so all those fonts we downloaded, they are here. Okay, so you can see this one that has Akermost is here, the Clavic is here, Hamstone script is here, the Nemia zip is here. Okay, so this is what we do. So I'm just going to click on it like this, click on extract. Alright, after I extracted it, then I'll go back. Let's go back again. I'll create a folder. Let's create a new folder. Okay, and I'm going to name it let's give it font file. I already have my font. Okay, fonts file. Okay, good. So this is the folder here. I'm just going to extract into this place. Okay, so we have our alchemist. So we'll go back again, go back to the download. All right, so we downloaded this Clavic. So I'm just going to click on it, click on extract. Okay, after extracting it, then I'll go back and locate that folder that we created, which is font file. So I'm just going to locate it. Okay, so this is it here. So I'm going to add it to this file. Okay, so we have 2 here. So I'll go back again, go back to my download. Then the third one, which is the hamster script, extract it again. Go back to that file, font file, place it inside by clicking on this icon here. Good. So we'll go back again, go back to download. Download. Yeah, Nimia, extract, go back to my font file. Then you add it to this place again. So that's how you will not add extract everything into that folder. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Then when you're done with that, you go back to our Pixellab to add it to the Pixellab. So let's get back to our Pixellab. So when we get to our Pixellab, we'll come to our text icon here and come to where we have our font. Then come to my fonts. Then we click on this folder that has plus, okay, to add fonts. So after clicking on that folder, we just keep scrolling. The name of that folder we created in Zachiva was font file. So we are going to locate font file. So keep on going and look for font file. Alright, so this is the font file. So this is the 4 fonts we downloaded and extracted. Look at them here. So I'm just going to click on add directory. So it's just going to add. Okay, so look at the fonts here. You can see how beautiful they look and everything. So that's how to add your fonts, whatever fonts you want to use. That's how to add it to your Pixellab. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new tutorials like this. God bless you.